Do you feel like you don't like people? Because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today, is myself not liking people. I remember even from when I was a child, I had a hard time relating to others, and there were times when other kids attacked me, insulted me. So in my adult life, even, I found myself getting really anxious around others. And I had just had a general sense of I did not like people. Even, all people were it was me versus the world, basically me versus people. And as I went through my meditation, I started to notice naturally I felt calmer, less anxious around people, but I started to see the roots of that as well. I think that's a big difference here. I started to see not only did I have a lot of judgments about people, and even a lot of thoughts of people who I like, people who I don't like, and all the assumptions, expectations there, but even all the assumptions, expectations, judgments that I had about myself. I also carried a lot of burden because I felt like I had to be a certain way around others, and that I had to always be liked, that I need to present myself in a certain way. But then when I let a lot of that go through the meditation method, I was able to be more true, more authentic to myself. And actually then naturally people liked me better. And I can say now, I can speak very comfortably with people, even people who are different from me. So I feel very grateful to the meditation method for that I can find more comfort with myself and comfort with others. Thank you. I hope it helps.